Welcome to my rants, no advice on finance. Spin the wheel and take a chance. Get an NFT and a little education. The system got undertow, that knowledge is flotation. You wanna learn? Well, you came to right place. You pumping AMC, might get slapped in the face. Get your due diligence, know who the villain is. Don't be a sheep when the shepherd's carnivorous. So come learn, laugh, and maybe you win big. And listen up, y'all, the wheel is not rigged. Everybody get a chance in the live chat. Kyoto spin wheel, you win just like that. Retail fight back and this retail winning. Y'all just wait, man, this is just the beginning. All fellow simians, GME group singing the truth. We just chillin', infinity pool swimming. So welcome to my rants. A lot of knowledge but no advice on finance. Don't even need pants, you can tune in naked like Henny the Mayo Man. Internet's most hated. Don't wanna lose your money, then it's time for you to listen. If you're ignorant, invest in AMC, a superstition. The stream about ready, they told us to don't dance. I do what I want. Welcome to my rants. 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 Welcome to my rants.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back to my rants. Plenty of good information, a little bit of motivation, a whole lot of truth, no financial advice. Been under the weather today, not feeling well, but I'm here. I'm here right now. I know everybody's been blowing up the Discord, so here you go. Here's the chart. Here's GameStop doing absolutely nothing. Well, I don't get people. I really don't. They all need to calm down. Everybody needs to calm down. Okay. I know people are like, oh, it's ripping. Like, I'll give you an example. Okay. First off, we live in reality. That's the first thing. I'm sorry. I know I put MOASS on there. I'm messing with these guys. HYMC is not moving. APE, 7%. APE is up to $3.36. So at some point, this will balance itself out. You'll know that because AMC, the stock, can't run. It can't run without APE, and people have to know that. If you don't know that, then you'll understand when they start selling off AMC shares for APE shares, and then it'll bring it right back down to earth. Bed Bath & Beyond is 100% up. I feel this is a pump. I feel it's a pump and dump. There's no fundamentals behind it, obviously, but the pump is because BlackRock holds these stocks. They bought shares at $3 and $4. So when people tell you, oh, so-and-so bought in, whatever they may be, this is a run-up of over 100% today. If you are in Bed Bath & Beyond, you do whatever the hell you want to do. I just don't think we'll ever see those prices that you see right now. I think that they might even make an announcement after hours. Who knows? Just to pull the rug from you here. But I don't know how people are not taking profits. It makes no sense for them not to. Right here, AMC, while everyone's out here cheering on this guy, Ant Trades, who tells you his algorithm's correct, which it's not, by the way. This is $1. This is $1 increase today, guys. Let's all just calm down. You're talking about MOASS, and it's $7.32. That's what we're dealing with. We're dealing with people who think that the MOASS or the new pump will get it all the way to $8, $10, $15. There's nowhere to go. So believe what you want. Go ahead and try to jump on something, try to go buy some calls and see what these kids are doing. But they've been wrong this whole time. I'm not being like this negative Nelly or anything. I'm telling you, I just saw the kids live stream, right? I'm sitting here, I'm clipping out some stuff, and this guy is cheering on, like, come on, baby, come on. I've seen the degenerates who do that, the Matt Kors and the Trey Traits, and I'm watching him cheer on a stock to get to $7 because his call contracts are coming due next month. Like, this is gross. It's just the worst thing you've ever seen in your life. And I have a theory, and my theory might be too outlandish for some of you. What if they just planted this kid right in front of you guys just to pump a stock, just to get people excited again, and then sweep it out? Because they could pump up this stock anytime they want, the hedge funds. So if this guy's video starts getting a ton of views, and now you got 1,000, and by the way, the 2,000 people that are in his channel, why doesn't the chat move? The chat doesn't move at all. I mean, you can read the chat. It's unreal. So there's a lot of things like that. So I'm here for you. And welcome back, Adam Aaron. I saw you in that other chat. I'm in bed with Enter and Citadel. Yeah, I saw that. I'm going to be here for a little bit because I really actually have to get going. I have to get my son and my daughter from work, my son from school. I have stuff to do today. You guys know I'm a normal guy. But I was doing some homework while you guys have been sleeping, I guess. By the way, I didn't sleep last night. I didn't sleep at all last night. I was tossing and turning. It was really bad. I'll run that back for you guys because I didn't even send you the... I did send a challenge to Ant Trades. If you guys see him, if you guys see him in the street, let him know. He might be afraid to leave. But he said he would fight me. He would beat the shit out of me. He would dump me on my head. He said I look weak and old. I'm just going to tell you right now, Anthony, there are grown men walking on this planet, and I'm one of them. So let me know. And I'll do 10K. I'll do 10K challenge, whatever. I've got the money. I'm good for it. Let's roll. I swear to you. Let's get it. I don't even think you have 10K. I don't even think you have 10K worth of stock. But it doesn't matter. Go sell your shares to get it. It doesn't matter. I'll make you sell them. That's what'll happen. But you won't come out of there alive. You're talking about you put me in a cage with them and I'll walk out. No, you won't. Oh, have you ever fought a grown man? I know you think you are, but have you ever fought a grown man? You'll find out what it is. It's not nice. It's a lot of work. Even the little guys, and I'm not little, I'm bigger than you. So it's embarrassing what you're saying out here on the internet. You're a big tough guy, I know, making videos. Anyway, I'm here though for you. 10K, don't forget. Back to the prediction that's happening right now, where people are getting too excited. Guys, this is all GameStop to me. GameStop starts moving, everything else has to move. You guys know that. But hey, they're all together. They all move together. Bed Bath & Beyond is ridiculous. You can't explain Bed Bath & Beyond to me other than them pumping it to take it. It just got halted. Halted on the way down. Halted on the way down. This is scary. Oh my God. For the people who are buying in and trying to rush to get stuff, I never like halts on the way down. I've only seen that in AMC and Bed Bath & Beyond when they pump like that. I didn't see it on GameStop ever. So that's pretty good. But here we go. GameStop's going to go retest 24 and get past it. We should break past 25 if we're going to keep this rhythm going. Let's see. What did I say? Oh, actually, I said 24.50. Didn't I? 24.50 to myself, not to you guys. I said it. Might have been 24. I don't know what I said. Maybe 23.50. But now, obviously, we're pushing a lot past that. So I was looking at it today while you guys were all sitting there at home. So I apologize. I got you in the chat, though, guys. I appreciate it. Marantz, were you naked in the last video? No, I just had my shirt off. You know what's crazy? I'm going to tell you guys something. This shirt might cover up a lot. But when we say we're identical twins, like I posted a picture of me and Rico, right? And we're stature. We're just right there. We're similar. Like I posted in the Discord. And then you see my brother running around with his shirt off like he's a madman, all this stuff. I'm just like, bros, go ahead. We're identical twins. You guys go ahead. I'll just send Rico in place of me. Kai's already thinks it's me, so what the hell? I told you. He's got tattoos on his arms. I told you. Congratulations to Kai. He's got his citizenship. That was pretty cool for him. Thank the Lord. Work is getting boring. Ray Pies Ass, if that's how you say your name, bro, was refreshing the channel waiting for the live. Rick James, I wasn't going to go live. I'm supposed to be at work today, but I had to call my boss and tell him I couldn't come through. I was not doing well last night. After the stream, I passed out. I'll just tell you what happened last night. I passed out. I woke up at around 9:45 and I saw I missed a phone call. And it was a phone call that I recognized. It was a number I recognized. So I called. I called back. And I ended up talking on the phone for about 2.5 hours. My soul needed that conversation. It did. My heart, my rejuvenation for what I do in and out of the stream, I needed that phone call. So I was on the phone till about like 12:30. At least 12:30, somewhere in that range. I don't know, 11:30. I don't know. I was on the phone for the longest time. Then after, I couldn't fall asleep. I had heartburn, ceviche, and vodka, and it was just everything. And then my stomach was going crazy. So I didn't sleep at all. Last night. But we're back. Did you know why I had to put the live stream on the members only channel? Do you guys have any idea? Last night's live stream? I got a copyright infringement last night. And I didn't play any music. But they claimed that I played Ray Charles when I was singing, "She gets money when I'm in need. Yeah, you're a trifling friend indeed. Yeah, she's a gold digger all in the town." And I was singing it with no beat, no nothing. And they said that I mimicked the sound of what the song sounds like. You mean to tell me I actually sound like Kanye and them, whatever they were doing? I can't do it because I'm going to get in trouble. But I did it. And they gave me a copyright infringement for that. So apparently I can't sing lyrics when I sound like these people. That's cool. Hey, what happened to AMC? Is it still not going? Why is it not going? Bed Bath & Beyond, unhalted. All right, it's even. Yeah, it's all looking the same. Guys, if $7 is your MOASS, is this what it is? Because I don't see it. I just don't see it. I see a dollar. I see 98-cent increase today, and some guys out here, becoming a thousandaire off of it. He'll burn out. This fat boy right here, he's gonna burn out because he's wrong, and it's embarrassing. But if you look at his chat, I can just go to it. I'll mute him. Yeah, I'll mute him. But you can read the chat, okay? And they're talking about me, of course. Thank you. And Morantz was hammered last night. Okay, that's cool. I'm the topic. But look at this. You can catch the chat. You can read it, dudes. You got 2,000 people in there. How are you not? I'm so sorry. 3,597. You got 3,000 people watching supposedly the chat. How is that even possible? How? And you can read it because I know what it's like to have everything rolling. I do. I've been there plenty of times. He's getting $100 super chats. He's getting everything. Like this kid is in it to win it. So people are still typing my name. Is this guy talking about me? Is that what he's doing? We'll go back 2 minutes. Let me see. Another. This is crazy. These kids don't know. They're gonna lose everything. He doesn't even look at level 2. This guy doesn't look at fundamentals. This guy looks at nothing.
Discord's on the way, guys.
Discord's on the way. What are you waiting on? You didn't wait on the mods either.
I'll help you go up one head. I don't need help.
Oh, there we go. Oh, hold on. He must have said something.
You're a fucking pussy, bro.
Yeah.
You're weird.
Yeah.
That's your big ass age.
Yeah.
Shit.
That means he doesn't want to fight me? Hold on. I want to hear what's up. This is going to be funny for me. Sorry, guys. You guys can watch the chart while I listen. I want to hear what he...
Ants, release the fucking ants, man.
Exactly, guys. 3,500. No, I'm not drunk, but thank you, Young Day. I appreciate it. I wasn't unhinged. I was just like drinking. I haven't drank in a while. No, I was not naked in my last stream. That stream was awesome. Thank you, Paul.
I don't even have 10K challenging. $5 my ranch is just pissed because your channel is over a year old and you already have 2,000 more subscribers already. Yeah, he's probably mad about that.
Yeah.
He's probably mad that he's fat and he's old and he's probably lonely.
I'm fat and old and lonely.
I would beat the fucking brakes off you. Marantz, I know you're probably watching me right now.
Yeah.
It's fucking weird.
Yep.
Listen, I would beat the fucking brakes off you.
I'd probably slap the kid.
For real. You don't want to fight me.
Yeah, I do.
Nick, $2. Can you shout me out? It's my B-day today. Yo, Nick, happy birthday,
Hey,
bro.
you think I got to this kid right now?
Actually, I don't know, bro.
You don't want to fight. He said he didn't know me, and then he said I look like an old man, and he said all this stuff.
Pussy.
Oh, there I am.
You're a fucking pussy, bro.
Yeah, you sure?
And weird.
Are you sure?
Big ass age.
Yep.
Fucking shit. You don't even fucking know me, bro.
Yep.
I
Likewise.
would dump you right on your fucking head.
What is this? Did you guys see this guy? I saw this guy today. Okay, I saw this guy today. This is funny to me. I know he's threatening me. It's cool. I can handle it. I saw him walk to the sliding door, right, to go open the door and let the dog out. And once I saw him walk to the sliding door, I said, "Oh no, there's no way. He doesn't have the walk. He doesn't have the I could fuck you up walk. He doesn't have that walk. He has the my girl beats my ass walk, or hey babe, sorry about that. He's a tough guy online, but not even close. Yeah, your money should be on me. Every last dollar. He is a plant in my mind, absolutely. Jealousy is a great look on you, bro. I'm not jealous. I'm not jealous one bit. I don't want any of his viewers. I don't want any of his stuff. No, I want him to lose every dollar because he will. I mean, he already did before. I have all the clips, guys. I have all the clips. You guys know that I'm out here making clips. I'm out here making a whole thing about this guy that I'm about to unleash on some people. It's going to be funny as hell because when you have zero integrity, it's easy to make the clip. When you don't remember what you said in video before, the video after, or the live stream, like he doesn't understand. He's going live. This is his third live stream today. You don't think this was a setup? Okay. Third live stream today. He's in there and he's saying what? He already forgot what he said on the first live stream, but I don't. I keep receipts. So, buying calls on Morantz, you should. Numbnuts doesn't understand that $1 raise in price point is significant for the security trading at $6. Look at Bed Bath & Beyond. Only you don't understand. You don't understand. It doesn't matter because nobody bought in at the bottom. Nobody bought AMC at $3 3 weeks ago. These guys have been. Do you know what his cost average is? This guy, Ants, $25 a share. That's his cost average for AMC shares. You think he wants to sell? No, I can't sell them because they're capital gains. He hasn't even had them a year. Yet he's here telling you he's been here for how long? Get out of here, man. You guys are ridiculous. You are ridiculous. You are so ridiculous. I am. I might be. I might be ridiculous. But what I am is I'm right. And yeah, I'm feeling great. I'm watching a stock where people are jumping out of their chairs for a $3 move. Anybody in Bed Bath & Beyond should be excited. AMC and Ape? No, not at all. AMC and Ape is worthless. It's going to be worthless. You know, when you start telling me that they're on an algorithm and that they're going to have these movements, and the movements, depending on the Fibonacci retracement that you actually putting out there, are going to be like up to 145. My window's 130. When you start calling out price predictions to people, people start buying call contracts, and it starts moving in one direction. And I'm telling you guys, this dude's selling call contracts on the back of his news of you holding. He doesn't give two shits. I'm in it for the money. No. This is a straight up degenerate. It's a kid, a bum ass kid who's going to lose all his money and or make some money off of YouTube. And then what? You're tough? That doesn't make you tough. Just because you grew up in New York and New Jersey doesn't make you tough. What makes you tough is when you get in that little box, okay, called a home or wherever you're at, and someone comes in. What do you do then? What do you do in public when someone disrespects your girl or you? What are you able to do when your family's in danger? You obviously have no children, but if your family's in danger, what do you do? Are you able to defend yourself? Don't give me this shit like you're tough because you beat up some kid at a schoolyard. That doesn't work here, man. It does not work. So I'll still be here, and I'll let you know who I battled my whole life. He's a lot tougher than you. So there you go. People know. Some people are branded for this shit. No pumping AMC plays here. It won't even work, bro. Oh, please. Yeah, tell me, Lorenzo. Tell me how tough you are. Tell me. Have you ever had your hand smashed in between two helmets in a car door? Have you ever cut your toe in half? Does that make you tough? No, it makes you an idiot. And things happen. I don't understand how people, they distinguish tough from not. Like this guy. Oh, dump him on his head, guy. I know. Did you ever see the movie, the show, The Jersey Shore? You ever see Ronnie and Vinny and the Mike, the Situation, and all? And they would fight with each other, and everybody thought Ronnie was tough, right? Because Ronnie's in there flexing his muscles, and Ronnie's walking around, he beating up people, throwing beds around and shit. Ronnie's 5'6", 175 pounds. He might as well be a fucking gymnast. This little dude couldn't do a goddamn thing. You guys, the bigger they are, the harder they fall. No, that's why there's weight classes. This is not going to work. That's not going to work, bro. Anskia said, let me get a bounce of the trend. What the F? I never heard that dumb shit. No, John, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. He actually just puts the lines up and he said it's going to go in this trend. This is the channel we're in. But at the same time, he said it'd be 140 in the pre-market today. It's going to be 140 in the pre-market. But because it went up $1, people really think he's right. I'm sorry. It's not right. It's not going to 140. It's not going to 30. He also said that if it doesn't go up to 140, it's going to 30. Why are we just doing this? Why? That company over there makes no money. That company over there has a stock tied to it called Ape. So where's the value coming from? Who decides to pump it? The computer, right? The computer or people? I'm asking because there's a thing called FOMO, as they say. I'm looking at Bed Bath & Beyond right now. That's FOMO. People running in that damn thing. But it's the algo. Congrats on your bot name. A lot of these guys are bots. I don't even care, dude. They're tough. They're all telephone tough guys. Until they're not. I swear to you guys. If you want to get tough, metal sharpens metal, whatever. Like, I'm just letting you know. I got a guy named Rico, okay? Guys, I got a twin brother. We fought each other our whole lives, physically. You guys can't imagine what that creates. Like, what type of monster that creates for both of us. When we say we're hunter-gatherers, like he's saying all that shit, I'm hearing him. And I'm not bragging like that. I'm just like, okay, yeah. But he takes his shirt off, I keep my shirt on. I just happen to take it off just because, just to remind you, I got a little human on my back. That's how my back looks. But it's cool. Was refreshing the channel. I know you were. Oh man, these guys are tough. AMC chart halted. Not doing nothing. Descending wedge broken. Which descending wedge? I mean, where was it supposed to go? It's supposed to go just dribble back and forth in this range. Are we looking at the 1 hour? Is that what it is? The 1 hour. Look at this. This is so awesome. It broke out, but then it's back. So this is supposed to get you excited. Was this getting you excited? Or was this getting you excited? I mean, we can look at the bullish wedges the whole way through. We can read the TA. It doesn't take a damn genius. Was this excited right here? Were you getting so excited? Look at this. We're breaking out the descending wedge. Boom, it's all falling down. We bounce off at 789 and we pop to 1075. Ooh, we were going to go. Go where? Go where? This kid could have made this video last week, and then what would have happened? Nothing. There's so many TA improvements on this stock from time to time. We're looking at this. It pump. Oh, no. What happened to that pump? Oh, it went away? Okay, yeah. What happened? Oh, no, but we're on a 2-year descending, right? So that really makes a difference. How about this one? From 5 to 8. That was from 5 to 8. All the way up to 9 right here. 9.15. Those are huge. Now we're at 3. Now we're going from this standpoint, 3 to 6. Oh, rocking it. 3 to 6, guys. 3 to 6. Now you're at from 5 to 7. It's a $2 difference. It's a $2 difference with the ape pegged to it. Get out of here. I swear to you guys. I'm not wrong. This kid only reads what he wants to read. He's a Data Zero 2.0. And Data Zero can't say he's going to beat somebody up, but this guy can, I guess. You won't beat me up. Look at the 2-hour chart, right? And he only looks at charts that make his shit make sense. But even when you go to these and you're barely touching the 200-day. Like, is that the 200 or the 500? Oh, the 500-day, even better. Bouncing right up after the 500. You think it's coming back down? That's supposed to be support right there. That's supposed to be support. So what do you think's really happening? 50-day cross the 200-day, we're just going to run through the 500-day EMA. Is that right? Is that what's supposed to happen? I mean, how many indicators are we supposed to use? I'll even use the daily indicator. Here's your daily indicator. Do you think on the daily chart that it's going to hit 987? It's going to go touch that right there? I don't. Has it ever touched when was the last time it touched the 500-day? Way over here in August. Guess when that was? The pump before Ape came out. Now Ape's out and you're never getting that back. So diminishing return all the way through. You're never getting it back. Don't give me a 2-year wedge look. Don't give me any of this stuff. Look at this damn thing. Look at it, guys. You can tell me it's going to break out to what exactly? It can't get back to this level right here. And what was that? $9.31. $9.31. It's going to break past that. It's going to explode. Why? What makes you think it's going to explode past that? Because of this right here? This wedge? He goes, well, this wedge should have took off because this was the buy button removal. Well, guess what? This did take off and nobody removed the buy button. So explain that to me. Why did this one stop? What's stopping the stock from going to infinity and beyond? I don't get it. It's billions of synthetics, as he quoted. Oh, there's billions. Oh, yeah. No. I'm not going to sell the shares right now because they're going to be worth 4 digits. You just got to hold until 2026. Yeah. That's what we're going to do. We're going to hold until 2026 because, they'll be worth triple digit, quadruple digits, 4 digits. What the hell is he talking about? I don't understand. Look at this man talking about trash about AMC. Says it's a distraction. GME is the one. Yes, GME is the one. This is what crack does to you guys. Sure. Thank you so much. Technical reaction. Yeah, sure. My AMC calls be up like $1. Dude, you can do whatever you want with your calls, guys. You guys can buy whatever you want to buy. It's going to be a lonely day for you. It's going to be a lonely day. It's Monday. I just want to tell you right now, it's Monday. So you can pump all this shit all week, get some contracts on the backside of this one, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Let's go to the 2-hour chart. Do you remember this day? The 12th. Right here, this pump. I wonder what day that was. Hold on. I'm just doing it for shits and kicks, bro. The 12th was on a Thursday. It started pumping. When? The 9th? The 9th it pumped. Came all the way up. You were excited all the way into the week. Thursday. And then Friday. Look what it did Friday. All the way back down. I'll let you know how this is going to work out for you. Okay? I'll still be here. And I'm just showing you Bed Bath & Beyond. Because are you really up? You had nowhere to go but up. It was $1. When it files for bankruptcy, we'll see. Oh, man. What can I do, guys? What can I do? What can I do? Oh, look at that. Oh, that's just the sex. That is the sex. This one, not so much. For me, not so much. Because I know what the company is. But hey, I'll let you guys look at it. I'll let you guys be excited. Hey, man, this thing's going to the moon, bro. This thing's going to the moon. All right, back to the chat. Back to the channel. Sorry. Show GME chart then. I do all the time. Here come the shills. Yep, they're here. Yeah, bro, I'm being paid, dude. No, you're not. I have 50K GME shares. You have 50,000 GME shares burst. they're worth $20, $25 a piece, basically. So you mean to tell me you have 50,000, bro? I'm not good. I'm not good at math. So I'm trying to figure out how much money you have. 50,000 at $25. 50,000 times 25. You have $1.2 million worth of GameStop shares. What are you mad about? Congratulations on your 99 cents you made today, AMCers. Yep. Hungover, did you miss work? No, my stomach. It was the ceviche. I had heartburn, and I couldn't sleep. I kept throwing up. It was really bad. It was bad, guys. I'm in bed with Ventura. There you go. I got 1,000 GME shares today. Long-time collector. So happy. Dane Slayer, amazing. And congratulations, bro. That was awesome. You know what, guys? I think I'm going to have to buy 2 tomorrow because I forgot to buy 1 today. So I'll buy 2 tomorrow. I don't care if it runs up. You know I don't care about the price. I missed today. I was taking a nap. 10% is boring. Thank you. Damn it, did they pin Bed Bath & Beyond to GME now like they did after the AMC pump to 70? DB, I think so in a way. But look at this. Everything's ending right now. Here goes the after hours. Pay attention to a man named Brady. Rant's wire. Oh, yeah, no, I was not. Go ahead and post your embarrassing stream from yesterday. Sneak, it's posted. It's in the members only side. The members can see it. It's still there. What filter did you use to block out the tattoos? None. That mofo Ants is making cheese on super chats, griftering out the gates, whispering sweet nothings to regards. Yeah, John Diamond. I mean, this guy was like, yeah, hey, bro, it's gonna, yeah, just hold. I would hold. Not financial advice. I would hold. Like everything he said, not financial advice. I would hold. It's like, shut up. I was not unhinged. I was just a little drinky. He said he has 10K to put up and that he'd beat the brakes out of you. No, I don't think he has 10K unless he was just paid it recently for his channel. But it wouldn't matter. CK. Grown men are out here, okay? Grown men are out here. Why are y'all buying GME now? Why wouldn't I? Bed Bath & Beyond. That stream was awesome. Thank you. Just call me Ray Pizzas. It's too inappropriate if you pronounce it correctly. Pizzazas? Pie's ass. Pie's ass. Hey, Paisan. I don't know. Marantz, the shills in here are claiming Ants is up for your challenge. Oh, good. I'm down. I don't know, bro. His fractional is matching. No, it's not. Olan Smith, it is not matching. He's already off. He's already off by 3 weeks. Here, I know this is hard for you to understand, but you can go to this kid, okay? You can go to this kid and go to his videos. Go all the way to the first one. AMC is going to squeeze.
What's going on, everyone?
Just listen.
Ants Trades here, making not only my first YouTube video ever, but what will probably be my first and only AMC video.
There you go, liar. Yeah, okay? Don't tell me shit, man. When guys come out like that, oh, I'm never going to make one, or this is my last one, shut up. I don't have time for it. He said it was going to moon, it was going to go. He said that in January. Oh, yeah, this week. And yeah, don't worry, I have all the clips, bro. I'll make it all for you. I'll do your job. I don't know, man. His fractionals matching. They're not matching. Yeah, exactly, Saz. You understand. They're all bots. Everything in there is a bot. Why did you delete your stream? It had quite embarrassing time. No, I didn't delete it. I already told you. Jealousy is a great look. Thank you. Ants equals plant. Sure. I'm sorry AMC is at 140. No, it's not at 140. It's almost there. KB Corp. There you go. They really don't want to hit $25. Nope. Not FOMOing. Not FOMOing yet, AMC. Made man money in calls twice today. While here, just negative. Okay, cool. Cool, you're making. Where's my bull case? I'm still waiting for it, too. No pumping that shit stock. Don't do it. $2 for a birthday shout out. No. I'll just say happy birthday, bro. 3,600 on the calls and puts out. Numbnuts doesn't understand that the $1 rise in the price. Never mind. Buying calls on Marantz. Thank you. What up? AMC is a squeeze play, not a fundamental play. So we don't care. It's great if it is great. What is that? Yeah. So we don't care if it great. Man, I'd be reading what you guys type and it's stupid. You guys don't even make English. Don't even make English. Don't even make sense. Must watch. I just got sent a message and says this is a must watch. I guess I'll watch it later. I don't know. Hamburger Guru, you excited? Hamburger Guru was cool. He was cool the other night. You know. I have an affection for him now. I know he comes in here and trolls a lot, but he was defending me out there and all these other numerous chats. So I really appreciate it. Hope you're feeling well, Marantz Kingsbury. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. I'm really hurting actually. Making money on GME calls too. Going to get those profits to buy AMC puts after the reverse split dilution. You do whatever you got to do. It's going to go down. This guy with the ants thing. What the hell? $25 AMC, $20 calls, March 17, and up 117%. Yeah, so that's the problem. You have $20 calls. So you got to get out of them now. You're going to wait? You guys can't sleep overnight on your stuff. But hey, believe whatever you want. Yeah, buddy, I'm excited. Holding GME and Bed Bath & Beyond to the moon. Josh, good luck, man. You're going to need it, but I hear you. No pumping AMC plays here? Yeah. Ants is living in your head rent-free? Not really, Justin. Not really. Let me get a bounce. There you go. Bounce off the trend of what? I'm with you on that. I have no idea what he's talking about. These guys, man. And then when he said he didn't know me, like that's what kind of, you're just like, huh? He reads my name perfectly. The first time I ever saw it, Marantz. So you do know the name or you don't, or you just read it like that. You're good. Okay. And then you say you didn't know Astro, you don't know Boss Blunts, you don't know AMC Bigums, you don't listen to earnings calls, you just look at one chart. You don't look at any other chart in this whole damn world but this one in SPY, and that's where you learn how to read a chart, apparently. Like, it makes zero sense to come in and just be oblivious to everything around you. And then they're like, go check out GameStop, and he's like, nah, I'm good. It's like, what? Like, what is your agenda? Explain yourself. Why that's all you do is just a one, because it makes no sense. It makes zero sense. Then to have a $25 cost average. How is that possible? How long? You haven't even been in it that long. You sold on the run up. You lost on call contracts. You lost your ass off. So now you're catching back up and they're not. I don't want to sell my shares. There's no capital gains. I have to. It's like, what are you talking about? I don't even know where these guys come from. My TA's been right. I'm right. It's some matter of fact about nothing. And it's gross. But it's going to rob people. It sucks, man. None of these AMC clowns even hold AMC shares. I agree with that. All these AMC shills are cash poor. Sure. And they play weeklies. I don't know what the hell I'm reading, though. I know Marant's holding Bed Bath & Beyond. Kitchen Life, I haven't bought it again since. I'm not a bot. Andy London is not a bot. That 11 Colt guy who works harder than everyone else is from New Jersey. The Jersey Italian dude talks a lot of crap. I hate anyone that calls AMC Amy so effing gross. Yeah, and he started calling it that too. And that's when I'm just like, oh, wow. Like, you're part of the... And he said, I'm not an ape, but yet his logo is an ape. Right? Like, Ant Trades. That's the name you came up with. This is a great name right here. Ants Trades. Yeah. Okay, bro. Don't call me Ants, guys. Come on. Smash the like button, y'all. I appreciate it. Oh, my God. Bed Bath & Beyond up 100% bullish. I agree, man. Guys, we were all wrong. AMC is MOASSing as we speak. Yeah. If you listen to this guy, you'll lose a lot of money. Correct. If you listen to him. Yeah. Entries. Take the L, bro. Samuel. Samuel David. What L? What L do you want me to take? I will take your heart. I'll take your heart. I'll take your girl. I'll take it all. It's going to be embarrassing. AMC is up 69 cents, bro. 69 cents. After hours up an additional 6 cents. And you're going to tell me that was MOASS? This is what we're all excited about? Oh, my God. Marant's pants chasing these tendies. Not really. I bought lots of Bed Bath & Beyond at 130, 180, and 260. GG Kid. Yeah, good luck. I hope so. I'm up $2 billion. What are you saying? Like, where do these kids come from? Ants is a Data Zero Astro Trey hybrid wannabe. Yep. Fat Boy says he owns 900% of the float. Which ones? No, it's crazy, man. Kyoto's IQ is sub 76. That's a lie, Creo. Hey, Creo, let me tell you something, dude. Kyoto and we've been friends since Facebook. No, since MySpace. And back then, I used to post on my page. I would post you could take a survey for like if you're an IQ test. Regional genius, and I posted out to everybody, bro. He's been in my top 8 for a long time. So I don't think he's sub 76. I think he scored a 145 on that test. Get wrecked, Shorty. Yeah, get wrecked. No, you don't. Post your positions in Discord. Until then, you're timed out. Morant's crawled away in shame. BS, I don't feel good. Drama. What? Crawled away in shame from what? Oh, man. Why do you care? I thought this was a GameStop channel. Joshua Adams. Oh, how many times I got to tell you, bro? This is an AMC channel. What is wrong with you? AMC. That's it. It's AMC or nothing, bro. That's what we do here. Crab cakes and football. Get it right. This is a truth channel. Thank you. What is AMC and Ape combined? $10? No. You better stop that, John Diamond. Do not do that. You can't do that. You're not allowed to combine the price. It doesn't work that way. The floats are not the same. AMC hit my sell at 725. Sold some more. Good job. My 2-year TA on AMC is a megaphone working to 0. January 2024. I don't know if it's going to get to 0. Stacks, thank you so much for you guys helping me out. I don't remember talking to you last night on Discord. I do not remember that at all. I had to watch the stream back to find out how it ended and what I said. So turn your mic down, bro. Is my mic loud? Is it loud? I don't know. If I'm too loud, I apologize. How's that? Is that better? Yeah, no, that's better. Who knows? How about this? Just lower your volume down. All you bots bragging about AMC and Bed Bath & Beyond trades better post proof in the Discord or you're going to get slapped in the face. GME did the same damn thing. About what, bro? What did GME do? Nothing. Haze Monster, how you doing, man? Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the channel. You got 100 watching. Ants has 3,700, and he is dead, right? He's dead. Right? Yeah, Haze Monster. Do you think there's 3,700 people watching? You think those are real? There's not real people. I guarantee you it's not real. I know how the chat moves, and he can't do it. These fake trolls all claim that they bought the bottom 0. Yeah, they don't post it because they didn't buy the bottom. They didn't. Wherever the bottom was, you weren't there. Nordstrom to the moon. Thanks, Hamburger. Morant's legit question. Isn't liquidity a requirement to get into the S&P 500? Wouldn't DRS stop that from happening? No, it will not stop it from happening. It's a ridiculous amount of liquidity that you need to be into the S&P 500. A ridiculous low amount. We're fine. We're absolutely fine. So, no, that's not possible. Trolls. Yep, that piece of shit sitting right there in the middle of the wedge. AMC is up 69 cents. They're going to say that's bullish. My only regret is not buying more at 16 and 18 bucks. Not me. I did as much as I could. I find it sus. Right before AMC's volatility gets high, there's a new YouTuber screaming all-time highs, making bag holders in the options market. It's not sus. It's real, Future Whale. It's exactly what I said is going to happen. This kid keeps going live. He keeps getting in front of you on the camera, not caring about who his mods are, has no idea who's controlling the message he's putting out. Just get out there, get up, and get it on the camera. And that's what's being pushed out to you. So now he's going to miss work all week. He called out for the whole week, supposedly, already. I don't even think he really has a job. So there you go. That's how it's going down. He's going to be streaming every day. It's just wild to me, bro. Wild. Ants just said, Amy just closed above the trend. What does closed above the trend mean? I have no idea. His made-up trend, it's stupid. Liar, liar, Morance's pants on fire. Okay, 140 to the moon. Sure. What's up, King? You know, buckle up. Life is good, man. Life is good. Kill, did you time me out? He did by accident. I don't know what the hell happened there. Rance is talking people out of their AMC shares. No, I'm not. You do whatever the hell you want to do. I don't like it when people just make up shit, like just say things. They just, like, we don't have to look at the chart. It's not going to move anymore, right? Look at it. I'm gonna give you an example, okay? Here's something that I had to watch the other day. AMC, Bigums, and what's that other guy's name? Houston Wade. Okay, I'll do this live for you guys. I won't even wait. Okay, is it this one?
I didn't really buy any more after that. And after the Mudrick thing went with the 70, and I was like, I'm just gonna sit on what I have, and just sit and wait. But I might go in and I might.
No.
Lender, they had the leverage. So we had to play ball for a little bit. Now, the reason I'm for this vote, efforts to get my vote, these FTDs right over. The interest was super.
Yeah.
You can pay off the debt.
Shut up.
Ability to raise it at 50, 60, get 250, pay off about 3 point easily manageable. They got me there. the brand.
Yeah.
At that point, you'll have a couple good.
No.
We need that to happen. Come on, popcorn comes out. Why wouldn't you? You're gonna keep going. Terror
Popcorn.
would have never been involved because AMC would and Jeffrey never had to been involved with him in the first 100 million shorts because he still has a war chest of 400. He'll never give it out. But
Don't mind me.
a lot of people look at a stock and they go, it goes up higher and higher and higher. Do you feel cramped? The value of those shorts will not go down. What matters is when the short on the new positions, the big dribble, like when it's going up and up and up.
Yeah, because I have a feeling if like, oh no,
I have to find the part, dude. I really don't know where it's at. I'm ill prepared for that part. But the part was this, and I'll just explain it to you guys right now, as you guys are here and you guys are paying attention. We're gonna do this DD live and in front of you, okay? This is all real. So, when has Morant's been wrong? Bed Bath & Beyond at all-time highs? Nope, they didn't. I'm not wrong. So, and I won't be wrong on Bed Bath & Beyond either. So this is the part that AMC Biggums was saying. We can clip this up right now. He said, I don't fault Adam Aaron for what happened with Silver Lake because that was before Adam Aaron's time. And I said, oh, that's trash. That's not real because I even had the interview where if you go here, we can go Adam Aaron, right, and Silver Lake. And when you do it this way, here's the interview. And
Of AMC Entertainment finishing lower after dropping 2% earlier today on the news. The private equity firm Silver Lake will invest $600 million in the company.
In addition to Silver Lake's investment, AMC also bought back 24 million shares from the company's largest shareholder, that would be Dalian Wanda Group of China, cutting the group's current ownership from 60% to 50%. And joining us now in a CNBC exclusive to discuss more on Silver Lake's investment is Adam of AMC Entertainment. Adam, nice to see you. Welcome back to the Closing Bell.
Oh, it's always good to be here, and especially on a day like this, with the sole exception that we have 16 theaters, right, in being gunned down by Hurricane Florence. With that aside, today is a fabulous day for AMC.
Yeah, and we wish that they open up very quickly after the storm passes. Adam, I want to talk to you about Silver Lake. Interesting, they're such a tech-focused firm. They have investments in Dell and Tesla and Alibaba. For them to come to AMC Entertainment, how did this come about?
They sought us out. We sought them out. We found out that they were interested in our company. Silver Lake, as you know, is a private equity firm with more than $40 billion of capital under management or committed capital. Their reputation is just spectacular. These are very smart people. They've added a lot of value wherever they've been. They've got a terrific knowledge in tech and media. Our company is a tech-enabled business. You can't do anything at AMC without having computers do it.
so this guy is just pumping up Silver Lake for buying in and giving them $600 million. Now, the reason why I bring this up is because Silver Lake, and I can close this one out, Silver Lake is the one in 2018, and we'll go look at AMC right here on the daily. Silver Lake is the one that gave them money here, all the way over. It was right around March, right here. So this run up here is when Silver Lake got into the stock, okay? So when they got into the stock, they announced they were going to do a special dividend per share. And everyone started buying stock. This is the last time insiders ever bought stock at AMC. Then they went ahead and just dropped it all the way down to $1.20, the lowest that it's been, and then over here $1.17. But by triggering, okay, and it was all manipulated trigger by, you want to call Citadel, you want to say it's Melvin Capital, you want to say it's 0.72, I don't care who you say. They triggered AMC, and that triggered the convertible bonds. And the convertible bonds went into the money. They went $13. They triggered them automatically, and they sold, and they made money. They cashed out. And how much did they cash out during that time frame? This is on the January 29th. This got announced, but it was $713 million. Okay, that's how much they cashed out on their AMC position, Silver Lake. Why do I tell you guys this? Because I'm trying to explain to you the relationship between Silver Lake and Adam Aaron and Citadel. So I told you this. I have everybody connected. By the way, AMC Bigham said something dumb again. He said they can close their the theaters that don't make any money. They can do that. And I'm just like, really? Do you see this? Non-cancelable? It's right there. They can't do it. They have operating leases in which require the developer, the property, whatever, pursuant to long-term non-cancelable operating leases. Boom. So they can't cancel them. They can't close the movie theaters. They're not allowed to. I just want to put that out there really quick while we go look at this other part. So then we're going to go and close this. We'll close this. That's where that is. Is this Silver Lake? Okay, this is Silver Lake right here. This is their CEO, co-CEO, and managing partner, Egan Durbin. Okay, Egan Durbin's been with Silver Lake since whatever, 1999. When you go look at this, guys, and I'm telling you right now, I'm going to name up everything. Egan Durbin, whatever his damn name is, right here, managing partner. He has connections with Dell. There's a big red flag for me. Qualtrics, whatever it is right there. He has more partnerships here. He's on the boards with Endeavor Group Holdings, Dell, Motorola, Qualtrics, Unity Technologies, Waymo, all this stuff, right? I'm going to name everything to you. He's on the operating committee and the supervisory board for NXP as well. Everything that you see, this is Silver Lake, okay? Citadel. Citadel owns, I believe this one is, this was News Corp. I had this going for you too. When you go look at News Corp, the people who actually put out the info, right? Fox. This is Rupert Murdoch. When you go and look when they held the biggest positions in the media, look at how much they owned at the time and look at the time frame. 2020, September. That's when AMC and everything else was going, great for the bad news. The company's going under. It's going to file for bankruptcy. All this stuff. GameStop. You're controlling that mentioning. The next month, again, the next quarter, as you go through, it's every quarter. They owned how much more? December all the way through until, I want to say March. So from December to March, they held an additional $5.3 million worth of shares. Something crazy. More than that. That's 5,000 shares, I believe, or times 1,000. So 5 million shares is what they owned. I apologize. They had more in June when they did what? The run-up for AMC as well. So they owned the media company while they were releasing it. That's what this tells you here. And they haven't bought back in yet, so I don't know what news they have to control. But if you ever want to know who controls what they control, I believe they own like Bloomberg, or they own the Wall Street Journal and a whole bunch of other stuff on News Corp. And I was looking at, they were like, oh, he's on the board of directors. No, he just owns the company, right? So that was part of something I was going over with. The next part was here. I was looking at this. This was for, I don't know which one this was. Qualtrics, right? Qualtrics, whatever, international. That was part of the board for them. They were on that board. And I want to say that they had, goodness gracious. I'm going, well, how about this? Not I want to say it. I'll go through it with you guys. Did Citadel come up on this list, or did I just click it out? It might have been an old one for me. I was probably just looking it over. Is it this one? Qualtrics International, which is XM Radio. Is that right? I don't know what it is exactly. But you still Silver Lake, and I believe at one point it was owned by Citadel as well. I'll have to go look into it more, but I know they still have it. Silver Lake has that one. But that's not what I'm looking for. I'll know what I'm looking for when I see it. Motorola Solutions. Motorola Solutions. Let's do it. So Citadel Investment Group right here. So Motorola, as you can see, due to the fact Motorola Solutions has witnessed a fall of interest, blah, 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 doesn't even matter. Comprising of $110 million in stock, Ken Griffin's fund, Citadel, also dropped its stock about $53 million worth. So at one point, they were in that company, the same one that the CEO of Mudrick is on the board, or not Mudrick, but Silver Lake is on the board for. At one point, they had over $100 million worth. They dropped down to $53 million. They dropped that down. So there's one connection already on the board of directors for them. Another one. This is what he bought in the whole time frame. So for the last 3 years, he's been in and out of this stock the whole way through. Number of shares, 644,000. The current holding is going to be $165 million. Ken Griffin and Motorola Solutions. Guys, the guy on Silver Lake is on the board of directors for Motorola Solutions. Are you tracking what I'm putting down? I hope you do. We'll go to the next one. Motorola slips on Icon's failed bid, so they're battling. At 3.com gains on Citadel's inquiry. So this is how it works. They rose to 3.com, and it was the interest thank God, by Citadel, because Citadel's with them. So this is Carl Icahn and Citadel fighting for that. And that's exactly what happened there. And that was Motorola. It's all about Motorola, and they're the ones in between there. Another one, online firm Expedia lost 61 cents on NASDAQ first quarter, but Expedia also is part of Silver Lake's board of directors. They're on that too. I already read that part. So as you go through, I just keep watching. You guys saw Dell on the list? Well, what do you think happened with SAC? SAC Capital was founded for insider trading. They got shut down. $1.3 billion or $1.8 billion was the fine that they had, the largest of all time. And it was because they had insider information on Dell. So Silver Lake's on the board of directors for Dell. I know, it's just a coincidence. I know, it's a big coincidence. The next one, 7 charged. And that's the Dell scandal I was reading up on. It's all right. This is another one here. Citadel analysts made millions on tips from the Dell insider, and they didn't get charged. So they didn't get charged for the report. They went down. They got Steve Cohen. He did get found guilty. But the guy who didn't talk through that whole thing was the director, Gabe Plotkin, for Melvin Capital. He did not talk when they went under for Dell, and because he didn't talk, they paid him back by bailing him out on the GameStop fiasco. Hedge funds and insiders love NXP semiconductors. What do you know? NXP. That's what they on the board of directors for, these guys. And who loves it? Obviously, it's going to be Citadel. So you'll see it right here. Citadel Investment Group. They love it. Managed by King Griffin, holds the most valuable position in NXP semiconductors. I try to tell you guys what it is and what they're on the board of directors for. And all of Silver Lake's board of directors, whatever they're on the board, like whatever he's on the board of, this guy Egon, it's a King Griffin owned company. King Griffin runs the show, and there it is again, the NXP stuff, and you'll see that it's just managed by Citadel again. And I try to tell people, I was reading all up on this stuff. We'll keep going. Which one is this? Oh, NXP. What do you know? That's what he owns. He owns $359 million worth. I can't even tell you. $359 million. Endeavor Group Holdings. Who owns Endeavor? We'll go down. Endeavor Group Holdings is there. And I want to say it's going to be not on this list. It should be Citadel as well. I don't know where I had it. Oh, well, Silver Lake owns it, obviously. But did I see Citadel on this one? Oh, there they are. Citadel's there. Of course they own it. $60 million worth. I know. It's just a coincidence. They own everything, right? They got their fingers everywhere. They do, actually. Sorry, all this stuff. Energy stocks to buy. Who owns them? I believe it was Citadel. Short-term interest compared to the competitors. And if you read all this stuff like I did already, you'll see they have more connections to Citadel. But I'll leave it there. King Griffin. On Endeavor, he owns $60 million worth. There you go. $60 million. Let's go to the next one. MOASS. So I told you I cared about TGP being involved with them. And it was a little shocking because TGP, I'm keeping my eye on them. That's the Texas group, whatever they're called. And MOASS is the one who actually brokered the deal with GameStop, the split. So I'm paying attention to that too. Don't worry, I pay attention to everything I can, guys. Proxy statements. Which one is this? ASX announcement. I don't know which one this one is. I might have just had it there. Oh, because it said AMC right here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why I had it. Maybe I was trying to find something. We'll go to the next one. Kirkland and Ellis. Well, you know, I'm a big fan of Kirkland and Ellis. And they have connections with TGP Global and Al Catterton as well, which I can't get mad at because those are things that have connections to GameStop, but I don't see any connections to Citadel from it. So I'm trying to figure it out. I just know that I'm reading and looking for a connection. I look for a connection between GameStop and anybody. I always try to look for it, and only because I want to be able to report if I see something that's shady that I don't like. Then I can tell you. But there's nothing that I'm seeing so far from the insiders at GameStop. Just the insiders at AMC. And that's what I'm looking at right here. Citadel shuts down Specialist Situations Group. I don't know what that is. I don't know why I have this one up, other than on Sunday, the private equity firm Apollo, which owns, settled with Huntsman $1 billion. I don't know. I don't know why I was reading this. Oh, there you go. Citadel Special Situations Group, run the portfolio manager Joseph Roder, lost hundreds of millions wagering on the takeover of the Huntsman's Corporation. Citadel owned 18 million shares. Oh, maybe I want to read this. This is something good. And it says King Griffin in here. All right, I'm going to save that one for me for later. Don't need that. Don't need that. Have no idea. Career path, don't know. Citadel cuts after compliance breach. I have no idea. WeWork spiraled $47 billion. Nothing here that I know what this is about, other than me grinding. I have to go look at this one, but I really don't care. I have enough connections between Silver Lake and Citadel to run a lifetime already. The MIT Career Fair. Oh, I was reading this. MIT Fall Career Fair. Yeah, like they're hiring. Straight up hiring for Citadel. But also with one of these other companies. Like a feeder company to them. I'm trying to figure out how to get hired by them. There it was. Was it Waymo? Because Waymo's hiring. That's Waymo. And that's part of them too. But no, where did I read Citadel? I didn't. I could be tripping, bros. If Citadel's hiring, I don't know. MIT. Can you imagine going to the MIT Career Fair? I would be down. I know. You guys don't think I'm smart enough. It's okay. Citadel Securities Investing and Valuation. Yeah, whatever. We don't care. Yeah, we know about this one. We know that they put money in. I'm okay with that. Expedia Group. Yeah, I found this guy, Peter Kern, the CEO of Expedia. Really crazy that he's with Alpine Capital, right? He's with Alpine Capital there, and Gemini. I'm trying to figure out which Gemini it is, but he doesn't look like a good guy. He looks like a shady guy to me. So I'll figure it out as I keep reading about it. Citadel alums. They start with the biggest hedge, whatever the hell that means. I guess I can't read this one. So, and then this guy. Yeah, I didn't like him. He's part of the Gemini thing. I'm still trying to read this guy. And I'm still doing the homework, guys. I'm still grinding out stuff. I wasn't complete my DD on that stuff. But once I find out what the hell AMC's been doing, like they were doing with Silver Lake. Silver Lake absolutely is Citadel. As you can see, you have about 7 different companies that they were on the board of directors with. Silver Lake is. And Citadel's in them. So that was the difference. So I'm here. Good day. There you go. I got to read all this chart. I got to read the chat, whatever. And I got to go get my son from school and my daughter from work. I'm going to go hang out today. Try to get my energy back. I haven't had any. I need Gatorade, guys. Oh, no. AMC's not running in the after hours? What's wrong? It's not just taking off? You sure? Oh, okay. It's Monday, right? Okay, I'm just making sure. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow, another leg up, bro. Hey, it's going to happen. My TA's been right on point. Let me tell you something, guys, okay? You're in a wedge, in a falling wedge, okay? I'm going to show you right now. So look at this. This is what it is. So we're going to bounce. We're going to bounce right off this, right? We're just going to stay in that channel right there. Like, that's how we do it, bro. We're going to do this. Yeah, the channel. So we go here. All right, guys. So I've been watching this stock like for like 2 years, right? Like every day. So as long as we stay right there in that channel, then we know what's up, Like that's how it is. And then when it bounces, then you know it's going to go. And then the indicators. I got all the indicators, bro. I got the VWAP. I got the FIB. I got the Bollinger Bands. Oh, I know. I'm good. So yeah, let's do this. This is TA, bro. This is how we do it. You can see it can draw back. It can go from here. It might go to 8. It might go to 5. It might go to 4. It might go to 65. I don't know. It might just do something. I got a lot of colors on the screen. But guess what, man? I got kicked out of the military because I'm colorblind. Right? Is that what he said? Hey, Antrades, you're colorblind and you're trying to tell people what these damn charts are going to do? You're probably reading them wrong, bro. I'm sorry to break it to you. Hey, don't get mad at me. I'm relaying the message. Yeah, but the other message is you don't want to fight me. You fucking guy. This guy. Never been in a real fight. He's going to have to find out. All just poor clowns holding a couple of weeklies and the rest. Yeah, exactly. If you were really about your prediction or whatever it may be, show me your weeklies right now. Show me your weekly this week that you know is about to rocket. Because, I mean, it would be what? How much would it cost you? It wouldn't cost you much, right? I mean, stack up on those. Liar. I got a job. I'm going to call out for a week. But there you go. Yeah. Yep, that piece of shit is sitting right there in the middle, I guess. Samuel David says, my man with the shirt off, brother, I'll fly you out and be your corner man. Oh, added GME 5 times this morning. Boom. Hell yeah, I'm poor. Notorious Dave, that's great. Yeah, no, I'm serious. Like, if he wanted to fight, it would be, man, it would not be nice. I actually would go to jail. I would go to jail because it would be a problem, bro. I'd have to go to prison. Rico's doing the same thing, coming out every week, screaming all-time highs, but people called him out on it, and now he's Ant making the videos. You know, Future Well, if you saw Ant's video, Ant was like, I don't care what Rico said. I don't care. And then the minute Rico sends him $100, he was like, oh, Rico, man. Oh, we should do a stream together. Oh, yeah, I'd probably do one with them. Yeah. Just this guy's a dick rider, bro. All for $100. Get out of here. Free Wyckoffs is Rico's name. Rico Trades, right? And Free Wyckoffs, I called his ass out the other day. He deleted all his videos. And I called him out. I said, dude, all your predictions have been wrong. We know that part. So now this guy's predictions will be wrong, and he should just go away. So this channel just makes fun of other channels? Not at all, Joshua. Joshua, anytime you want to talk about stock and you want to talk about the fundamentals of companies, I'm here for you. I've been doing it for a long time. But, you know, hey, to each his own. Morant's plants seeds of doubt. Yes, I do. I should. That's what it is. Morant's chance needing clout. A little bit different. Morant's can't catch any trout. I've never been fishing, but I appreciate you. But you rhyme like you're Dr. Seuss, so you should write a book. This channel tells the truth, and we shut down fake pumpers. Correct. Once again, 2 first name accounts. Oh, yeah. More and more bots every day. Morant, show how sexy the GME chart is now looking compared to the AMC chart. Oh, my God. You want to see the GameStop chart? There's the GameStop chart. Hey, guys, ignore all this bullshit I got on the screen, bros. Oh, my God. It's tight. It's tight. It's tightly round. Let me take out the indicators. Hold on. Oh, my God. I'll leave those ones on. Yeah, this chart is just all kinds of great. And here, I'll put this one for you. Just, hey, let me tell you, man. I don't look at any other charts. I'll only look at AMC because that's what I am. I'm just about AMC, bros. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine just sitting there and be like, I'm just about AMC? Like, no. Guy's a tool and a half, bro. Yeah. No, fuck off. Fuck off. I'm just cussed the whole day. I put it on. I almost got a headache. I was like, God, this guy's just cussing up a storm. Like, just don't even do it. What they're going to say when it doesn't hit 140 by Friday? He's going to say that it's a slowed down algo, that it's being stretched out. I'm going to tell you that it won't hit 140 even in March. Okay? Even in his greatest day, it won't reach 140. I have a belief here, guys, and this is me, because the stock, reverse stock split, all that shit's going on with AMC coming up in March. What if that's their tactic to fight back against what GameStop's doing? And if you don't know what GameStop's doing, GameStop has announcements of their earnings coming up in March. It is also the 1-year anniversary of when Ryan Cohen, Alan Adel, and Larry Chang bought more shares. Those shares will have a 1-year timeline, so then you won't have, a capital gains penalty against them. So wouldn't that be a great time to see a rocket? I'm just asking. You see the announcement comes out of what GameStop's doing. GameStop announced it's going to do a dividend or something. I don't know what GameStop's going to do, but rip. And I'm just here, man. I'm just here playing it out, watching it in real time. But I'm just saying, March is about to be really fun for me as a GameStop investor. For these guys who are trying to pump you on other things, what a perfect timing for them. Except I'm still going to be here. You see, like YouTube can go ahead and pump this kid's channel. They can pump up everybody else's channel. I'm still going to be here. I've been here from the start. And I don't have bots in my chat. And that's the way it goes. I'm not buying them either. Don't think you're getting 20,000 views off of all your videos that you put out, and then it's been debunked, literally debunked in real time by himself. To say you're on a 3-year cycle, 3-year, but yet you're showing a 3, 4, and then a 2. That makes no sense. To have those fractals, the fractals that mimic each other, right? One is in the first year of the cycle. The second one is still within the 3rd year. So how do you have the 2 fractals mimic each other and the movement? So why is the cycle 3 years if the movement is within the timeline of the 3 years? Like, it makes 0 sense what he's saying. So he's debunking himself. And if I didn't make any sense to you right now, it's because you haven't seen his videos. And you can. I don't care. I just watched the one I did yesterday where I'm just asking the question. Why would you think it's going to move like that? Ape exists. Ape will hold this damn thing down. You think they would let AMC run and you have Ape shares there? Like, just so everybody's prepared for this, the kid has call contracts of $26 for March 17th. These are AMC 1 call contracts for the reverse split. Do you guys get what I'm telling you right now? To buy those call contracts is with the idea of what? Ape is going to go? Or I'm sorry, AMC is going to go? AMC can't go because then everybody would sell it and go buy Ape because you're going to get AMC shares at the reverse split. So how could it run? It can't. Every single one of these guys would sell the AMC shares to go get more Ape shares because they're going to change into them. And then what? The value's going to go up? Ape has to go up with it. And what are you doing with the short hedge funds when you do that? What are you doing when you give the power to Antera of your company? You guys don't get it. High as it goes, it's the bigger the fall. It's going to fall. That company has no fundamentals. When they say, I don't care about fundamentals, I mean, this jerk off said, I don't care about fundamentals. Okay, when your company's going under, all because the banks waived the covenants. It's the only way this company is alive right now. It is not alive because of cash on hand. It's not alive because of offerings. Nothing. It would have a default credit rating right now if they didn't waive those covenants. But they did it for them. Why? Why did the three different banks have to waive covenants? Why? Because they're the ones shorting it. They're the ones loaning out the shares. They're the ones that's allowing this to happen. Everybody knows it. Everybody knows. This is not like a thought or anything. I've proven this. I've proven Antera. I've proven Citadel. I've proven 0.72, Mudrick Capital, Silver Lake. I've proven all of it, guys. They're all the same. They short the shit and they apply pressure with it. So don't believe. You guys can believe whatever you want, okay? The thing can't go where you think it's going to go. And when he said, it's going to get to 30. 30 is the new what? The new 72? No, just because his cost average is 25 doesn't mean it's going to 30. And if you have an adjusted cost average of 25, that means your real cost average is somewhere north of that. Maybe 35, maybe 40, because you got to remember it reverted back. So when you have a cost average of 25, get the fuck out. You get out of here with this. I mean, you can sit here and talk to me all day about lines and graphs and colors that you don't understand. You guys can talk to me all day about that shit. And I'll hear you and I'll hear your theory, and then I'll just go like this. But there was an earthquake in Turkey and all those people died. That affects their country. That affects their income. That affects the world. What I mean by that, okay? Things happen on this planet that reflect the stock market, that make the stock market do what it needs to do. You think it's just a program? Oh no, it's just on an algo. Just an algo. No matter what, it's just on an algo. Really? Let these guys file for bankruptcy. What do you think's on an algo now? Where do you think it's going to go? No, things that happen outside of your computer screen matter to these companies and these stocks. They really do. Oh no, I've seen companies have bad earnings and the price goes up. Yeah, you might. And then you might also have a manipulated stock. And then you might have a pump on it. This is the market, guys. This is the market that people are invested in. Where's inflation on the chart? Where was inflation for the last three fractionals of the previous 2 years before that? Oh no, that was COVID. So now you're in a COVID environment or you're in a non-COVID environment. You know, for 3 years it went up and it drove up and then it went down on 2017 all the way to here. What happened from there to here? They bought movie theaters. So what the hell? They bought movie theaters and they lost money. That's why your stock went down. That's why it gapped down. It didn't do it because your algo. You think they started an algorithm for AMC in 2014 when they went public? Is that what you think? Is that what you're saying to me? There's a big conspiracy? Because it just matches whatever lines you're drawing? You're not taking into consideration macroeconomics at all? You're not taking into consideration fundamentals at all? Leadership? The investor? Nothing. So then explain to me the pump. Explain to me the pump that went to the moon that nobody halted. Explain that to me. Then how it came crashing down there or cascading back down. And you, okay, Ant Trades, lost all your money buying options. You got fucked because you thought it was going to break out of that bullish wedge, right? Boom, on the upside. And what did it do? It came back down because when you say it can't fall any further, watch it. Oh, it's at $1. It can't go lower than this. All right, we'll do a reverse stock split 10-1 and let's watch it fall down again. That's what's happening here. I already told you what it is. It's not MOASS. It's a pump and dump. It always has been. I'm not wrong. I see it from every angle. You can look at Bed Bath & Beyond. They're in the same boat. You can look at any stock you want to look at. HYMC, same boat. There are fundamentally run wrong companies that are being put in front of you because distressed credit investors are making a killing because they don't have to report losses when they're not losing. They're not closing out short positions. That's why Citadel made the most money it's ever made this year. They didn't close out anything. They put the bet on the table and they're pocketing money left and right. There's nothing you can do. You can listen to jerk-offs like this and go gamble, and then what? What happens when you get caught in the cold? Then you're going to be on the sidewalk with the Marine holding a sign saying, we'll work for food, or I'm going to stand here and hope my wife doesn't leave me. That's the type of shit you guys are going to be doing. I'm not putting fear in your heart. I'm hitting you with some real fucking facts. I have been investing for how long? 20 years, 25? Have I lost it all? Never. 20, what is it? 20, well, I'll go with 19 years. 19 years. And you tell me if I've ever lost it all. Never. Never, 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 never. Have I learned a lot along the way? Absolutely. Am I successful? I'm a successful investor. I haven't lost because I don't sell. These guys want to be traders. I've been trading for 7 years. You've been trading for 7 years, Ant? Why are you still trading? Why is it that guys who are trading, they know all the answers? They have it all. I can plan it to the day, to the time. Look at this retracement. I only watch one stock. Okay. Make your bet. Be right. Pocket the money. And then come bring it to me when you want to fight me for it. Punk. No pumping shit stocks here. No, that will not work. Samuel came back, so I had to give him a timeout. Absolutely, Wendy. How you doing? Oh, the irony. He threw all of his money into GME at the peak and has been back holding since. Then he doesn't throw a single cent into Bed Bath & Beyond and missed the ride. Well played, sir. Richard, I bought Bed Bath & Beyond. I bought Bed Bath & Beyond at $4, and I sold it on the last run-up in August. Don't think you know what I have. I've bought Costco stock the last decade? Like, what are you talking about? You guys all think it's one thing. Oh, it's GameStop, and you bought it at the peak. I didn't buy GameStop at the peak. You know what I bought it at? I bought it at $17 the other day. I bought it at $18. Bought it at $19. I put all my buy orders right there in the Discord. By the way, it's pinned to the top of the chat, or it's in the description of the video. I show what I buy and when I buy it, and I'm every day. Matter of fact, tomorrow I'm buying 2 more shares. Oh, I'm a whale. Or maybe I'm just really smart with my money, and I don't get over leveraged. Maybe, just maybe. But good try. Morant's the financial guru. I might be, Magus. I'll tell you what, I'm not. Huh. Who the hell? Oh, no, it said, why, hello there, Morant's. Bed Bath & Beyond equals MOASS. Not really. Let's go look at Bed Bath & Beyond. I know I said I'd talk about it. Bed Bath & Beyond is having a pump. And I'm telling you, these pumps that you see here are made for BlackRock to make money. That's just how I see it. I don't think retail has an idea of what they're doing with this stock. Everyone's hoping that it's going to go to the moon or it's going to go crazy, but it's never going to happen. This isn't a buy a shit pump stock channel. No, it's not. We meet again, United Structures. Yes, we do. $10, baby. $10 on what? Bed Bath & Beyond? Possibly. Not on AMC. Not on AMC. And quote me. Write it down. I'm fine. I'm right here. I had enough of this crap. All right, bro. You had enough. Once again, Carl J. Bot name. You should turn off the channel now. Okay, thank you, United Structures. I will try in a little bit. I got to take my son I got to go get him in about 20 minutes. I only got 20 minutes left. You guys bear with me here. Morantz, you have to shave your head if Bed Bath & Beyond hits $15. Francis, I said I would shave my head if AMC hit 15. Did I say Bed Bath & Beyond? I could have. Possibly. I'm down. I'll shave the head. I have no problem with that. So many haters up in this chat. I shaved my head when I joined the military. It was good. It didn't matter to me. My wife might hate it. I might hate it for a little bit, but guess what? My hair will grow back. And kind of like your losses and all these companies that you guys are all buying shares in, your money will grow back as long as you go back to work and you go make a little bit more. Sorry. Yeah, I'm not surprised you don't remember that. You were faded. Yeah, Stacks, I don't remember shit last night, bro. Hedge funds love Adam Aaron. Yeah, well, he only sells to them. He never sells to the public. Whenever he does an offering, he only sells to short, distressed credit hedge funds. Tell me why. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never want to hear you say Adam Aaron is not gay. There we go. Morantz can't put me in a timeout because he lost. What a baby. I didn't put you in a timeout. I don't do anything, guys. I don't do anything to the chat, okay? He puts people in timeout when he's wrong. I don't touch the chat, okay? My crew, my moderators, they do a lot. It's probably them. It's not me, obviously. I need to troll your other videos later. Sure, I appreciate that. When has Morant's been wrong about Bed Bath & Beyond at all-time highs? Did their fundamentals change? Nope. Also, you need to post your position. I agree. I unsubbed to Houston when I saw he hosted AMC Bigums. Old man Dada, good job. Yeah, he's a shill at this point. He's a punk. Although he did say, Adam Aaron's not a good CEO, so I agree with him there. But I've been saying it from the beginning. AMC Bigums is a punk. But as far as Houston Wade goes, why would you ever own AMC shares? If you believe in GameStop and what it is, why would you ever own an AMC share? That just means you don't read balance sheets. So I can't trust the man. I never have. So that's why he's not around me. We time people out who are trolling and lie about their positions. Sure, but in the same token, we don't ban them. So they get to come right back, just give them enough time just to sit there in the cut and be like, what just happened to me? Post your AMC buy order on our Discord, and we would like to see it. Sure, 37 thumbs ups and 111 people watching. 175 watching, 54 thumbs ups. Great. Shillsby Present Rants is in the house. Yeah, I get them all the time, bro. Got the Coronas. No, I was drinking some bullshit last night. I was drinking Kirkland American vodka with Red Bull, and there was no stopping me. It was bad, bro. And then I fell asleep. I woke up at 9:45, had that phone call. It was great. And then I couldn't go back to sleep. I had heartburn. I had upset stomach. It wasn't good, bro. Yep, timed out. Just a little tiny sheep herd here. Everyone wrong but you. No, Carl J. Even when we are wrong, even when I've been wrong. I have guys like Running with Bears, who extremely educated CPA, help me out. I've had Linda Real help me out with some stuff like understanding and translating things. And what I see, I've had Ralph help me out in the past. Even Robert Brown, Kyoto, hot this year. There's a lot of people who've helped me out throughout this whole lifetime that we've been live. And even when I'm wrong, I come back and I go, hey guys, I got that part wrong, but let's go ahead and see what else we have next. And but the message is correct, okay? You are all involved in companies that have zero fundamentals that you should never touch. And if you're going to risk your life savings or risk your money with it, that's your decision. I don't stop you from doing it. AMC already dumping in after hours. Yeah. What's up, Morant? Sweating it out here in El Paso. How you doing? Just wanted to say that you had me rolling last night, and I didn't forget about the tortilla chips that you ate that fell on the floor first. Mr. Martinez, that probably happened. I don't know what happened last night. I just don't know. Sent you something. Think my TA is a little bit more accurate than that, clowns. Let me go look at what you sent me. I don't remember when you sent it to me, Stacks. Oh, there it is. You sent me a big ass triangle. Yes, you did. His triangle is correct. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, come on, guys. They're looking for a replacement for Trey, a replacement for any AMC clout chaser out there. And this is a kid, and this kid, he comes off as trying to be like this bullshit, like I don't give a fuck, I don't fucking care, I fucking forget about it. Hey, forget about it. I'm gonna eat some pies done. I'm gonna eat the pizza right now. Give me a pie. Hey, you're gonna make the sauce. I'm gonna make the sauce. Make the gravy. Like, get the fuck out of here. You're not tough. It's like kids like this who grow up in their own little environment. They don't understand the world. But when they travel, they'll figure it out. I was trained to be a Navy SEAL for 3 years. What the fuck are you talking about? Did you know the Navy SEALs is the only, you can sign up from the street and go join the Navy SEALs. You can, because it's not hard. Just be an athlete. That's it. Be an athlete and swim. And you can make it. It's that easy. I'm sorry. I was a Gold Iron Watchdog. I know you don't know what that means. I was a Warfighter team member. I know you don't know what that means. But it's like the Ranger Challenge. It's like the Navy SEAL and stuff. Special Forces, you just can't go walk into. You got to go to linguistics training for like 18 months. You got to do some crazy shit. Special Forces. If you would have said, I want to be Special Forces, I would have took you. But I was colorblind, so I couldn't go. I swore in on my oath. And then when they told me I couldn't be a Navy SEAL, I got out of there. So your oath meant nothing. Your oath meant nothing. You weren't ready to go. You're not part of it. You're a punk. You're a quitter. You quit college. You quit the Navy. And now you're here and you're going to quit YouTube real soon. I promise you. I know dudes like you. A dime a dozen, punk. Oh, sent you something. I know you did. Kind of sus, Morant's makeup. He is sick, so he can stop and stream for the rest of the month. Magus, I don't care, bro. I've missed like 1 day of work outside of COVID, me being off for COVID. I've missed 1 day of work in 10 years. So I'm okay. Damn ants put me in a timeout. I was just stealth trolling on the mod time me out. Yeah, he don't even know who his mods are. My mods are badass. He didn't know who they are. He couldn't tell you who they are. And I don't know why anybody's helping him, but they're all going to lose money. Magus, who is stopping their streaming? There you go. He looks like that blind dude. Who? Fury? I don't know who. The ones popping. Yeah. Live long and prosper. Get some of your own content out of here. Carl J. I think we've been doing our own content for like 2 years, Carl J. You're welcome to come out. Ants is a 0.72 plant. Might as well be. We Gold Lake now with HYMC. I have no idea. June 2021, Adam Aaron and Mudrick stopped AMC in the 70s. Then ape disaster. Yeah, then the reverse stock split on deck. AMC is a high risk. Paul, I agree. Good job, Paul. Good analysis. Effin' sad, Wolfman says. 124 people watching. Effin' sad. That's actually really good for me. 175 people. That's amazing. That's an amazing number. That's my biggest number ever. But, I'm not here to chase other people's numbers. I'm okay. I'm going to be here tomorrow. The turtle, there's a turtle and there's a hare, right? The tortoise and the hare. Have you heard the story? Okay. GameStop and you. I'll let you figure it out. Who made money on AMC here today or just stayed bashing AMC while living paycheck to paycheck? I don't know if we're living paycheck to paycheck, Bossy Boss. I think most people do in this world that we live in because things are very expensive. I mean, we don't have to. We don't have to. These are first world problems. What are you bragging about? Thank you for being viewer number 124. You don't hold any AMC shares. That's more than 100% real diamond hands of a solid stock, Wolfman. Not 1,000 bots and a bunch of degenerate options traders. There you go. We have asked you hundreds of times to post your actual hold of AMC on our Discord, and you never do. And you always say you hold something. You don't. I'm up 300% on Bed Bath & Beyond. Oh, good. You're down on GMER. I don't know what GMER is, but if you're up 300% on Bed Bath & Beyond, that means you bought in at what price? Because I want to know, and I want to see it. That means, it's already down 13% in the after hours, right? It's coming down, bros. You sure you're still up? Because I'm showing you the rug pull. This is the rug pull of Bed Bath & Beyond. This is why I tell you don't stay in shit overnight. All the way down to 390 in the after hours. Like, what do you want me to tell you? They just sold the shit out of it right now when you have no defense and you're holding on to it. I try to tell you kids every day. Every day I tell you, don't touch Bed Bath & Beyond. Don't touch this thing. That is BlackRock stealing the money from you guys. Okay? Hello? Yes. No, my phone's at 3%. What's up? Yeah, doesn't matter. Return them. Yes. All right. Yeah, I don't care. Go get it. All right, bye. Okay, sorry. So you're playing dead card bounce? Yeah, they're doing everything. They claim they bought it at the bottom, so it's cool. Come to the Discord and prove your position on AMC. I'd be glad to see it. They can't disprove anything. There we go. I'm reading all this stuff. I'm trying to catch up so I can get out of here in about 15 minutes. Ruben Lind, how are you doing, guys? Appreciate you. AMC will never follow a holding company to hold a company. Holding company, their minds are blown. I have no idea. AMCers have never followed a holding company to a holding company. And trades YouTube. Okay, Bonnie. Hey, Bonnie, I saw you talking shit yesterday, too. A lot of you guys just talk shit out of nowhere. You see how this is coming right back up? But guess what? Who's buying in the after hours? Is it you? You guys, man. They pull it out from you here, and they took profits, and now what's going to happen? This is just gross what's happening to Bed Bath & Beyond. Even now. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. But you guys don't want to listen to me, you know? What do I know? Anyway. Apologize. There we go. Bossy Boss is still talking. I don't know why. I don't know what the hell he could be saying. Good evening. Yes, how you doing, guys? I appreciate you. 2 boats and a helicopter. That's me every day. Every day I try. Man, I missed a lot of chat here, but I'm trying to catch up. Today, Bed Bath & Beyond up 120%, AMC 10%. Who's in the money? I don't know. Maybe not you. I love our new crew, or I love how our crew is out here. Effing it up with Bed Bath & Beyond AMC investors out there salty as F. Correct. You know what it is. Hope you had a good day, Morant. See how the stock did? Yes, I did. Bought some more in DRS. Good job. Facts. No menudo this morning. No, I didn't have any. I should have. And you're right. AMC about to hit 140 in after hours. Hey, is it there yet? I'm still asking. I'm asking for a friend. 383% on my contracts. Good job, Happy Trends. Way to make some money, man. Just watch the 10K challenge video. He won't even mention that video. Yeah, I don't think he really wants that. I don't think he really does. Go look at Rico, then you'll see a good taste of me. If you guys ever think that you can walk into this house, it's going to be a long afternoon. What's your max on AMC this week? Done, Caliber, Done or Dune. I don't have a max. I don't care about AMC. It will never hit $10. It'll never hit $9. Like, that's how I feel about it. I don't think it can get there. So you guys can look at it all you want. I mean, this guy was cheering it on, screaming. My max, I tell you, you just hit it today, maybe. If it's going to go up tomorrow, hit $7.50, $8. But that's about where you're getting. Because they're going to pull it on you. It's Monday. It's Monday, guys. They're going to pull it on you, and you're going to lose it. Just like they're doing right now with Bed Bath & Beyond, and people are trying to fight it back. But you kids don't know any better. That's a test right there in the after hours. That's like hey, we're going to pull the fucking rug underneath them, and guess what? These idiots are buying it back because they think it's something. It's not. Yeah, At's been watching AMC for 2 years, but just started doing YouTube and doesn't have any social media. He's like a ghost that just came in out of nowhere to Guru. Yeah, John Diamond, and then he's been in discords with, KC Shaw and some other people, but yet he knows nobody in the AMC movement. Like, so I don't even believe it. I don't know how you could be watching the stock for 2 years and you live in a cage. Are you a hermit? I don't understand. Why'd you buy in the first place when it started running? Well, who were you watching then? Nothing makes sense. So it's just you just can't be a mystery. You just can't say, oh, this is what it is. Never works like that for me. I was actually watching the trash earlier. I was typing to get in and tell me that call strikes and expiration were no reply. I hope you can stream from jail. Why would I go to jail? No, it was. I mean, after I whoop his ass, yeah. I mean, I would have to go to jail. Yeah, you're right. Because I'm serious. He'd probably lose a couple of teeth and an eye. He wouldn't look the same. He would definitely lose an ear. Because I'll bite your ear and won't let go. 8 pounds of pressure. That's all it takes. So ask Mike Tyson. I got you. And I'm built like that, bro. I'm a problem. So I'm ready. I'm really ready. I'm pumped, bro. I hate it when dudes talk like that when they're online. I'll break your head, bro. I'll headbutt you. You're going to headbutt me? You might hurt yourself, young man. You just might. Morass, where do you think AMC will be this week? In the dumpster. I think it's already there. Like, what are we talking about? People bought in at $25, $50, $40. We're talking about $6, $7 stock. It's gross. It's gross. I'm 300% because I didn't listen to this clown frog. Thank you. You don't talk about anything but shilling AMC. You're a joke. You sure, Matt? Because you were going back and forth from stream to stream last night. And you really are up on this guy's nuts. So I'm happy for you, Matt. I really am. But thank you for the, coming through. I appreciate you. Clowns. Can't trust a guy with 2 first names. Yeah, and don't frequent bars that are named after colored animals. Green, Patriot, and Purple. And not only that, I just can't. I just can't with this guy. I'm going to order a bottle of 1800 tequila through Uber, and let's do it. We're going to order that right now because I got a drink right now. Yeah, Jabron, you should already have it in your house, bro. Just be that man. I've got to drink some wine. I'm a connoisseur. Anselin watches AMC and Spy, but really only AMC. It needs to be flipped on his head again. Yeah, Rob, what's going on, Rob? You said something nice or what? Are you just going to get your ass whooped? Because they mooted you out. Nobody cares about GameStop. AMC all day, all MF and day. Okay, good job, Rob. I'm completely zen myself. 140, nah, but you will have a big sell-off before March 14th. Correct. The truth sucks, but it's still the truth. The AMCers who actually have shares are getting played in slow motion. Hey, buddy, how's your Bed Bath & Beyond prediction coming out? It's doing really good, Ronald. Like about 10 minutes ago, it was doing really good all the way down to 390. Was that when you were writing that comment? Fucking punk. Yeah, it's 140. Can't wait for Kais to throw this in your face when we moon. I'm waiting. That guy, what's he going to do? I'm waiting. It's bureaucratic. My dentist took keep my dirty mouth out your name. You have a dirty mouth, guys. I can see it. Oh, they're doing it. Oh, my God. What's up, Rants? First time long taking, what is this? A Lorna trade line? I don't know what the hell that means. In years, a Lorna Tradon. I have no idea what it is. Now I got a bloody nose and 100 fever. Okay. Worst case scenario is allergy. Okay. I have no idea what you did. The AMC influencers fighting naked shorts. They were fighting me naked in my shorts. That's what they were doing. Oh, they're tied up, Jerry Diamond. Suit, yes. Ronald Mine, he says, quite a challenge in titles quite a change in titles since 2 days ago, Morantz. Why should we listen to you now? Ronald Mine, there is no MOASS coming for those stocks. I'm fucking trolling you right now. The MOASS is here telling you $7 is the MOASS. That's the change in title. What the hell are you talking about? It's trash. It's going nowhere. Bernie Madoff. Ants is afraid to take on KC Shaw. I know. No, man, that guy didn't like me and he was making fun of my TA, so I just said, you don't deserve it. And I went ahead and made my own channel, man. You holding Bed Bath & Beyond shares? There you go. Morantz, if you box his ant, you wouldn't know what hit you until his fractals were bouncing off your chin, bro. Paul, not even that. I wouldn't box him, okay? I'm not offering to box. Let's get this straight. I want to fucking fight him. That's the difference, okay? Yes, ma'am. I'm live right now. I'm about to go get my son. Okay, love you. That's who I'm going to go. Yeah, I'm going to get him, then I'm going to get Lex. Love you. Bye. My phone just died. My phone died. I didn't hang up on you, honey. My phone died. I said I only had 3%. I sold my shares and made thousands of dollars today, still holding half at $2.87. Oh, good. Man, why are you upset? Who are you mad at? You mooned. You sold now and it's going to moon. What are you talking about? Why'd you sell right now on Bed Bath & Beyond? It's going to moon. You want to blow it in my face, but you sold half your shit? No way his chat is this slow and so many watching. Paul, that's my point. I try to tell you, aside from all the chaos and the strange subject in the SEC, I'm new to trading. Do you have any videos learning puts and calls? If anyone you recommend that does. Diana, if you're a real person, Smotherman, no, I just buy GameStop. I like the stock. AMC clowns just don't know what to say. So you just got in for the first time below $3? Yeah, he was so good, man. He averaged this. This guy's a shill and he's drunk. Jesse, I'm not drunk. You might have me confused with somebody else. Y'all really carry about thousands? Show me 100,000% gain. Where are you going to be? No M&A this week. Where are you going to be if there will be no M&A? No, where are you going to be if there is none? There won't be any. This guy's still losing his mind over AMC. Stay in your lane, buddy. Look at this for fevered depression. Literally losing his mind. I'm not losing my what? I'm very sane. I'm actually doing really good. Education, aka losing my mind. Exactly. Morantz, show proof of your positions. I show it every day. 909. Go to my damn Discord where they're asking you to show your proof, right? I show my buy orders every day. Just know that. It's too busy touching you, Dark Horse, and you just trying to save you. 2 boats in a helicopter. How does every day 909 in the Discord? Thank you. He does every day. Thank you, Suit. It's so funny to me. Boats and hoes. Ants lives in his knees. Yes, probably. You see him? Yeah. The 7Ks. Well, I did 7K, but I think it will be more. But we need M&A. Okay. Which channel? It's in my GameStop channel. Go ahead and do it. We're there every day. Discord. IBO looking good for tomorrow. Another 125. Nobody cares about your stock, bro. We're not looking at that. Morantz drunk again? No. Good fella. But thank you. The earthquake in Turkey was from Bed Bath & Beyond's engines thrust. Yeah, see, that's just being insensitive to the people of Turkey. Thousands of people lost their lives today. It's not very nice. It's so... Fuck, man. You guys really don't understand. Yeah. 100% of the options. There we go. Morantz is using bad words again. Sure. You think GameStop spikes this week? No, Dune Caliber. I don't think anything. I just think we're doing fine. We're churning. We're just grinding out some stuff. How does that Jack Daniels, Morantz? I don't drink Jack Daniels. Thank you. Morantz got ants on his bottom of his shoes. I'm barefoot all the time. Bernie Madoff. I'm a shill. Thank you. Raider Bro, you think it's going down tomorrow? I'm sure it will. Mouth Morantz. Cosmic says hello from Discord, Morantz. Oh, that's cool. I didn't even see him in the Discord. But if he's in the Discord, I'm okay with him. As long as he supports what we're doing. Which he has been. I just don't know what we're looking at. But there you go. AMC, yeah, I offered to fight him. Yeah, I don't think he wants to. I honestly, Morantz is he's just a crazy old man. You think I'm old? Yeah, I'm probably older than your dad. No, I'm not. I'm younger than your father. So I'll beat the brakes off of both of you, probably at the same time. I'm being dead serious right now. He's been busy flying a spaceship, so he can't stop by. There you go. There's no coming back for you, Roland. Nope. Last night was great. I love clowning this fool. Thank you, Matt. You did so good. What's good, Marantz? How you doing? It's never going to happen. There you go. Oh, is this falling again? Bed Bath & Beyond? It's falling again? Oh, did Marantz tell you? Hey, Bed Bath & Beyond, I hope you bitches didn't sleep. That's what I hope you didn't do. Oh, my God. Adam Aaron is at the bottom. Kirkland Vodka. Yo, how about this, Marantz? If AMC hits $10 again, you never stream again. Scared? No, I love that idea. I love that idea. Oh, wait till you see my next video. Wait till, Joey, what's going on, man? We miss you. Hey, Joey, I tried to go to the live chat. I tried to go to Twitter. You know what happened? Your boy J-Rags blocked me and banned me from, and every time he's in a Spaces call, and every time he's like a co-host, then I don't get to see when you guys are talking. So I'll never be able to get in there because he doesn't like me. So he'll get over it, though. No, he won't. He's got a little dick. We understand. I said it. And I only say it because Rico told me. Remember when we told you all the viewers AMC would never hit 10 again? Yeah, I'm telling you right now. Has it hit 10? It won't. I'm green, believe it. Oh, I'm sure you are. Green with envy. I know how it works. AMC dumping $2. There we go. Bed Bath & Beyond, bro. You will eat your words by Wednesday. Ah, no, I won't. Yeah, guys, is getting rugged. They're all getting rugged and mugged. Marantz Bed Bath & Beyond announces offering and bonds. It will drop. Sent you and it will drop. Sent you the DM. Oh. Yeah, then there you go. You sent me the DM, then I want to know where it's at. Send it to me. I don't see it. Unless you send it to me on Twitter. I'm not on my Twitter right now. I was only on my Discord. Kai's is getting rugged. Marantz, there you go. They offered it. That's so bad, bro. Ants got, and that's why they pumped it, bros. Like, I don't know what to tell you, man. It's going to suck for everybody. Childlike insults cannot deter the inevitable. I agree. Ditto. Mimic. We're doing the best. They took a big drop. It's going to get worse. It's going to get worse. I don't understand this attacking. We're all in the same boat, bro. I do understand your DD and appreciate it, but just don't like the attacks. We're all in this together. Hold AMC and GME both. Then you don't understand my DD. You don't appreciate the DD I do because you're wrong. It's not AMC and GameStop. There's one completely different than the other. And when you learn that, then you and I can sit at the same table. But until then, sit your little ass down, okay? Attacking? I'll give you all the info you need, but you need to listen to it. There's a big difference from hearing it and listening to it. Okay, Ants is G.I. Jane. No, G.I. Jane made it through. If you understand, then you know it's not the same. Thank you. Linda Rill's telling you that right now. When AMC inevitably goes bankrupt because of $5 billion in debt, there you go. Prove it. Nice, Abe. I lived there in Morristown. I don't know what you guys did. I don't care. You guys are awesome. Marantz, why does Kirkland & Ellis appears when a company dilutes? I saw Bed Bath & Beyond S3, and I saw Kirkland & Ellis name at the top of it. They're one of the premier firms. And what I told you is that they're partnered up with Citadel till the nth degree, like all the way through. They even changed their offices from Chicago to Miami with Citadel in the same building. There's a lot there. There's a lot of relationships there. But in this world of finance, you have to have great lawyers, you have to have great auditors, and then you have to have the business itself. So when you see Kirkland & Ellis, or when you see, what's the other one, that Ernst & Young, and you see Citadel, you know what's connected. So go look at AMC and see what they're connected with. Marantz wanting all the smoke. Absolutely. I want to get some shit out. That's what I want to do. Some aggression. These kids talk too much. Come on, Marantz. AMC is going to the moon. They own 900% of the company. Yeah, I mean, they're billions. They go like this. How many synthetics are in AMC? Billions. Never. Has AMC ever made a profit? Raider Bro, I think like 2 years they made a net profit. But other than that, the gist of it, 25 years of being in the negative at the end of it all. So back before 2007, even before that, 1998, they were making a profit then, not now. You definitely can't fight. Who are you trying to lie to? I mean, come on, bro. Are you guys serious? I took my shirt off for a reason, just to show you the deltoids, just to show you the traps, I can show you my glutes if you really want to look. I know you would, you sick ass son of a bitches. But I got to get going, guys. I'm live just for this 1 hour, whatever it may be. I got to take off hour and a half, but I got a video coming tonight. I got to put it together, but I'm going to be busy. Got to deal with the flat tire, some other stuff. But yeah, another flat tire this year. This is in 2 years. I have had 5 flat tires between the 3 cars that I have. It's absolutely mind-boggling. But I'm not driving the cars. They go flat because my daughter drives it, or somebody else drives it, my wife, or whoever. But I can't believe Marantz caught up on the chat. I just made myself catch up on the chat. I just scrolled to the bottom, bro. So yeah, man. Why would she stay with me now like that, man? I have no idea what you're talking about. But there you go. GameStop. Can't stop, won't stop. GameStop. Vincent, go look at the other video where I challenged trades. Hey, Ants. I challenge you because I'm willing to beat the fuck out of you Well, in my case, it won't be for free. You're going to have to pay me. But you let me know, bro. You let me know when you want some, because you're talking about, oh, he looks like an old man that I'd beat the brakes off of, or I'd fucking stomp his head in. Like, you talk. You talk. I know guys like you. And I don't just punch them in the face. No, I still their heart. And I'm ready to. Let me know. I'm ready to go. All right. But of course, it has to be a charity event. I want to raise some money for something. That's what I want to do. So if we're going to raise some money for you being homeless soon, let's do that one. If we're going to have to get your dog, Max, if we're going to have to get him a new home, let's do that. Or your girl, instead of cooking all those bananas she's cooking. I don't know, bro. Let's do it. Punk. Peace.